Hey, it's Pretty Brown Ashley. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing mini twists on my natural hair for A for B type hair. So I did use aloe vera and castor oil to achieve this look. And so if you want the details on this hairstyle, make sure you stay tuned, girl, okay? So I did have my husband do this process on camera just in case you wanted to make your own aloe vera DIY mixture. Aloe vera is very good for repairing the dead skin cells on your scalp, and it also promotes hair growth. I'm also in the process of trying to repair my edges, so if you're trying to repair your edges, this is the most affordable product to make. Did I also mention how great it feels on your scalp? Oh my god. Start off with freshly washed, freshly conditioned hair just so it'll be easier and more manageable for you. Next, you want to go ahead and grab a wide tooth comb and detangle from ends to roots. This is definitely going to make the process much more easier because, anytime you're doing those protective braids or twists, and you're trying to part, you want it as smooth as possible. That saves nerves, you stress, everything. So yeah, make sure you detangle that hair, girl. Next, you want to part your hair. I'm going to be parting my hair into 3 sections. When it comes to the back of my hair, I'm actually not going to part it. I'm going to freestyle it. Then when I get to the front, I'm going to do neater squares, just in case I got to make a stop at the store in the middle of quarantine. It looks neat in the front. So you're going to take your aloe and you're going to rub it all over that piece of hair that you grabbed, all over, okay? Then you're going to take 2 strands and twist counterclockwise. And it's just going to be repetitive all the way down, counterclockwise, counterclockwise, counterclockwise. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I hope I was a big help to you. I hope this mini twist tutorial was extremely easy for you to understand. So make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel if you are feeling my vibe. This is my first natural hair video. There's more to come. Like this video up, share it, and I'll show you the end results afterwards. Yes, I am finally to the front of my hair. Anybody that does protective styles on their hair or on somebody else's hair, they know how time consuming it is. But I will say this process only took about a good hour. It was fairly easy and my hair is going to grow. I'm not going to have to mess with it for maybe a day or two. I mean, we're in quarantine anyways. But yeah, guys, I mean, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this video. I'll check back in with you. Alright guys, as you can see, my mini twists are all finished. The process took me about a good hour. I didn't part the back. I actually winged the back and I parted the front a little neater just in case I had to go to the store. But we're in quarantine right now, and since we're not going to be going anywhere, I kind of just like, you know, kind of did it freestyle. So, you know, just to grow my hair for growing purposes. But definitely if you want to wear this hairstyle out, I would definitely use rubber bands, the rubber band method, because it'll look way neater. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this hairstyle. And if you enjoyed this video, if you like me, like this video, comment below, y'all. Hit the bell for notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Ashley247 and I'm out. Thank you so much for joining this video. Y'all have a blessed day